If burying negative search results costs you $15,000 and 6 months, you're doing it wrong, and here's the real timeline. Here's the problem. Most quotes you see online are outdated by 3 years. Professional reputation services range from $3,000 to $25,000 depending on how many results you need buried. DIY content creation takes 4 to 6 months and still fails 67% of the time without technical SEO skills. A former client comes to you because a news article from 2023 ranks number 2 when someone searches their name. Their job offer gets pulled 48 hours later because the hiring manager Googled them. That one article cost them a $95,000 salary. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle reputation emergencies like this before they destroy careers and businesses. The cost to bury that article is always less than the cost of leaving it there. Most people fail here because they think burying negative results is free if they just create enough blog posts. You would need 30 to 50 high authority articles published across different domains to push one negative result off page 1. That takes 6 months if you're doing it yourself, and Google's algorithm prioritizes news sites and established domains over your new blog every single time. With ReputationZilla, we create suppression content on established authority sites that already rank, cutting the timeline to 45 to 90 days. Step 1 is understanding the 3 pricing tiers. Basic suppression for 1 to 3 negative results costs $3,000 to $8,000 and takes 60 to 90 days. Mid-tier campaigns for 4 to 8 results cost $10,000 to $18,000 and run 90 to 120 days. Enterprise reputation overhauls for 9+ results or high-authority news sites cost $20,000 to $25,000 and take 4 to 6 months. Step 2 is evaluating what you actually need buried. This is important. If the negative result is a single Yelp review, you do not need a $15,000 suppression campaign. ReputationZilla handles review disputes for hundreds less. If it's a news article on CNN or Forbes, you need the full suppression package because those domains have authority scores above 90 and will not move without serious SEO firepower. Here's the problem. Path A is hiring a cheap freelancer for $500 who promises results in 30 days. They create 10 low-quality blog posts that never rank and your negative result stays on page 1 forever. Path B is ReputationZilla building 20 to 40 authority backlinks and publishing suppression content on domains with 70+ authority scores. Success rate jumps from 12% to 89% and the result moves to page 2 or 3 within 90 days. The advanced move is targeting the exact keyword variations that trigger your negative result. Most people only optimize for their exact name. If your name is John Smith, the negative article might rank for John Smith CEO, John Smith fraud, John Smith lawsuit, but not for John Smith marketing or John Smith consultant. You need separate suppression pages for each keyword variation. ReputationZilla maps all ranking variations in the first week, then builds content targeting each one individually. The exact search query to check this yourself is to go to Google, type your name in quotes, then add one word at a time like fraud, scam, review, fired, lawsuit. Every result that shows the negative article is a keyword you need to suppress. Go to Google and search your exact name in quotes plus fraud. Then search your name in quotes plus scam. Then your name in quotes plus lawsuit. Write down every keyword combination where the negative result appears in the top 10. Those are your suppression targets. Professional suppression costs $3,000 to $25,000 in 2026. DIY takes 6 months and fails 67% of the time. ReputationZilla buries results in 60 to 90 days. Link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete suppression guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.